Right. Completely clean. Well done, everyone. Okay, we're just doing some recordings for you, so you need to listen carefully, okay?
Alright.
Alright, so we're going to do question 1 first, and that said, use your calculator to determine the solution to the following pair of simultaneous equations. We need to enter them first. I'm going to use a calculator page.
Yeah.
And escape from there. And it's simultaneous equations, so if you go to menu, and we go to algebra, and then we've got solve system of equations,
Yes.
and solve system of linear equations. I've got my daughter helping me today. Now we've got two equations, and we've got two variables x and y. So I'm going to click OK, and now we're ready to put those in. So I'm going to put the first one, x equals
10.
Not 10, but 1 plus 4y over 16.
Daddy, where's the program?
Go get a chair, Soupy, can you see?
Where's the chair?
I don't know, your playroom.
I have the piano chair, can't I?
It's a bit heavy to lift, maybe. Do you want to get one from the playroom or your stool?
No.
Alright, so I've entered the two equations into the simultaneous equation bit, and enter, and there we go. It's given us the answers to those first two. So it's just done it for us. So really, it's just knowing that that's the function on the calculator that solves linear simultaneous equations. And then it says write both equations in the form y equals mx plus c. So what we said we'd do for that was that we go to menu, 3.1, solve, and what we want, if it's in the form y equals mx plus c, we want it to solve it, to get it to the point where y equals some other stuff. So I'm just going to do it for one of them. So I'm going to put the second equation, because it's slightly easy to write. So I'm going to say 8 times x plus y equals 3, comma, and I want it to be y equals something, so I'm just going to put comma y,
yes,
enter, and it rearranges it for me, and it says y equals 3 over 8 minus x. Okay, you do exactly the same with the other one, and it will put it into y equals mx plus c form. Hang on, got one more to do. And then the last question said, which of the following equations would also satisfy the solutions you found in part 1? So we've got two equations there, and we've got the values for x and y from the first one. We've got an eighth and a quarter. So we need to try those two values in each of those equations and see which one works. I'm going to try the second one first. So I'm going to do 8 brackets. Is this right, Asha?
What?
Is this right?
Yeah.
Okay. X is 1 over 8, so let's put that in. Do 1 over 8.
Hey, Daddy.
Is that alright?
No.
Oh dear, what should I put?
It's 3.
No, okay, well done. Minus, and then we'll put the second one in, so we're going to do that again. 1 over 4. Like that.
3. Daddy, that was 3.
And if we're right,
Daddy, here.
that should equal minus 1. So let's enter that and see what happens. Minus 1, fantastic. Okay, so when it says which of the solutions satisfy the equation, which one of those solutions make it true? Well, the eighth and the quarter, when you put it into the second equation, make that equation true. It means that the left-hand side equals the right-hand side, so it must be the second one. You can check the first one if you want, but you'll find it won't work. Okay, so that's the three things. So basically, there's nothing too hard there. It's just knowing which buttons to press on your calculator. So I think if you struggle with it, it's more of an issue of revision than a lack of understanding. I think you just need to look at your notes and practice it, and it should be fairly easy. Okay.